Hello, and welcome to How to Make a Bulk Purchase. Let's start on your gift card page. You may choose any amount on the screen or a custom amount. I want to give $25 gifts. I choose the amount, then click on Buy Gift Cards. This is the Yifty buying platform. Here you can use the bulk purchase option to buy up to 99 gifts at once. Let's buy 10 gifts. It takes us directly to the message page, where we can write a nice message to our recipients and choose what our signature will be. Let's jump back to our recipients. If we don't have or don't want to add names, emails, or phone numbers, we can leave everything as is, and PDFs of these generic gifts with your message will be sent to the purchaser's email to print for hand delivery. We can also choose to add names, emails, and phone numbers manually, contact by contact. Or, if you have a large contact list, you may upload it and use it to send your gifts by clicking on Choose from Contacts. In order to upload a list and complete your purchase, please log into your account. You will be taken directly to the checkout page. Go back to your Recipients tab to edit. There, you will be able to choose from a previous list if you already uploaded one, or import new contacts. You may import contacts using a CSV or text file, or by copy-pasting from Excel. Let's upload a CSV file. Click Browse to find your file and make sure it's a CSV. Indicate if the first row of your list includes headers. You may add these contacts to an existing list, a new list, or the default alt list. In this case, we will make a new list. Let's give our list a name. Do not click on any other box below. Now, let's match the columns in our list. The program may have already identified some for you, but you may need to match them as well. Our last column is not matched, so let's indicate it is phone numbers. When we click Complete Import, the program checks the data and gives you a report. If you encounter errors, such as duplicates or invalid phone numbers, you may choose to edit them or skip the contact altogether. Skipping means the contact will not be included in your list. Let's edit the errors here by clicking the orange button. Remember, there cannot be two contacts with the same email or phone number. Now that everything is correct, let's go back to our contact list. You will now find yourself in the contact section of your account, and you will see the list you just created. To complete your order, go back to your dashboard. You should find the order you were working on under Pending Gift Orders. Click Finish to continue. You may find yourself in the checkout page or somewhere else on the gift flow, but go back to Recipients to use your new list. Click on your list, then click Select All. Click Next, review your message, and go to checkout. Here you will see all of your contacts listed, and you'll be able to customize even further. You can click on an individual message to edit it, and even change the gift card value for individual recipients. Once you've reviewed everything, click Checkout and pay with either an existing card or a new credit card. There are many benefits to buying in bulk. If you're buying over $1,000 in cards and can send us a check or ACH transfer in advance, we will create a free enterprise account for you with extra benefits. From this account, you can get discounted e-delivery fees, set expiration dates for your gifts, recoup on any unspent funds after gifts expire, give access to budget managers for ongoing programs, and run reports and analytics on the gifts that you've sent. Please contact sales@yifty.com for any purchases over $1,000. And of course, if you need any technical assistance, please be sure to contact support@yifty.com. Thank you. Happy gifting!